Hello from Japanese classes in Pune.com. Is there anyone who does not know this man? Today we are going to learn a kanji related to this man, or to be precise, whatever mental state this man is in. I'm sure you will not forget this kanji. No background of Japanese is required, trust me. By the way, don't go too much in the details and spoil the fun. Our goal is to remember the kanji. This seems like droplets, right? Even if it does not seem like droplet, just train your brain to imagine these are droplets. This kanji indicates liquid. Now, what is the first thing that comes to your mind when you think about liquid in a beautiful bottle? Yes, alcohol. Note that we are using this bottle example only to make it easy for us to remember. This kanji is not exactly bottle, but see, it looks very close. Don't go too much in the details and spoil the fun. Our goal is to remember the kanji. Now look at this. The kanji on the right, the top one, that means 9, and the one at the bottom, right, it means 10. So those indicate number of pegs. Now what happens when one has 9 or 10 pegs? One gets drunk. So this kanji indicates to get drunk. Now someone might ask, hey, what happened to that kanji that indicated liquid? It is missing from here. Well, we already had 9 or 10 pegs, remember? Liquid is gone and now only bottle remains. So this is the one kanji that indicates to get drunk. Alright. We close this video with salute to this man. Please subscribe to our channel for regular updates about Japanese and technology related information. Thank you.